Aw, give Mickey a hug. Aw, put him in your wagon. Put Mickey in your wagon. Go for a ride. Put him in your wagon. Get your babies, too. Where's your babies? Where's your babies? No? Just Mickey? You don't want to take your babies for a ride? Bye. See you later. Bye. Your babies want to ride too. You better come get your babies. Whoa! Better go get your babies.
You're looking at Sherwood Brown, the Atlantic Sun Player of the Year, first player in Gulf Coast history with 1,000 points.
They want to ride too. Good job.
Smitty is fascinated by that graphic that doesn't really exist.
Baby. Yay! Now shut the door. Good job. Go for a ride. Yay!